Hey guys, it's Josh Tahan here, Ooni Ambassador over at True Craft Barbecue. Today we are going to be making one of my favorite recipes, buffalo chicken pizza.
In this recipe, we're taking absolutely no shortcuts when it comes to making the perfect pie. Most restaurants or takeout places like to cheat and use breast-flavored meat just covered in sauce. Yeah, we're not doing that. We're going to be using only the finest, most authentic ingredients because that is going to be what makes this pizza so damn delicious. First, prepare your wings. You'll need about 4 or 5 of them. I like to grill my wings, then toss them in my favorite sauce when they're done and put them back on the grill to get a nice smoky buffalo flavor into the chicken wing. You can choose to fry or grill your own wings like I do, or take some to go from your favorite restaurant or pub. But whatever you do, start with a high quality product. Remove the meat from the bone and set it aside for later. Start stretching your dough. For this recipe, I like to leave my dough a bit thicker. Why? You'll find out later. Aim for anywhere between 220 to 320 grams on your dough balls, depending on the size of your pizza oven. Top your stretch dough first by crumbling over the blue cheese. Add your delicious chicken wing meat, and finish it up with a generous drizzle of buffalo sauce. Don't go too crazy though. The heat from the oven is going to loosen up the sauce and spread it across the pizza while it cooks. Now you're ready to cook. Slide the pizza off your peel and into the Ooni Pizza Oven. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, making sure to turn the pizza regularly. Once cooked, remove the pizza and top it with a handful of shaved celery, and trust me on this one, celery and wings are a classic combo, and this simple addition makes all the difference. Now for the bit you've been waiting for. If you want to make this recipe and keep the dough just a little bit thinner and turn it into more of a traditional pizza, go for it. I like to have it a little bit thicker, fold it in half, and have an awesome buffalo chicken sandwich cooked on the Ooni. If you have any questions, you can get me at True Craft Barbecue. Thanks for watching.